How to lock Instagram on iPhone. To get started, first of all, go to your main menu and find the Instagram application. Tap and hold the app. Then, tap on Require Face ID. Tap on Require Face ID again to confirm. This app will require your Face ID or your passcode to open or show content in other apps. App content will not appear in notification previews or spotlight. You will now require a Face ID to open Instagram each time. Now open up the Instagram application. Check to see if it requires your Face ID. You can now repeat this to lock other apps on your phone. You can change the settings and unlock it whenever you want. So, by following these steps, you can easily lock Instagram on iPhone. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.